He suffered pain and agony of mind and brutal trail. If he could bravely sacrifice, if he could fully care, then I must fully pay the price to all the gospel share. Oh, tell the story, reveal the glory. Oh, to all those who die and love, that never heard His precious name, till down the carnival the Christians had to save us all. Oh, tell the story to God. Oh, tell the story to God. Oh, tell the story to God. That is the plan. Tell the story loud and long so everyone may know. To the patient fields are near, as both now be must go. Oh, lay aside your selfish goals and seek the needs of man, and learn to care for hungry souls, for they are Lord's command. Tell the story, reveal the glory, oh, to all who